Mastering English. Role-playing scenarios for giving directions. Hello learners! Today we're delving into an essential part of English language learning, giving step-by-step directions through role-play scenarios. More specifically, we'll focus on providing constructive peer feedback and evaluation to boost your learning process. First things first, let's talk about why peer feedback and evaluation are crucial in English learning. This process involves exchanging feedback on performance or giving constructive criticism that promotes learning. Peer feedback helps identify strengths and areas for improvement that may not be visible to the learner. It also encourages active participation, fostering a collaborative learning environment. Now let's set the stage for our role play. Imagine you are in a big city, and your friend needs to get to the post office, but they don't know the way. Your task is to give them clear, step-by-step directions. This involves using phrases like, first, then, after that, and, finally. The key here is to be as specific and clear as possible, leaving no room for misunderstanding. After completing the role play, it's time for feedback. When offering feedback, remember to be constructive and respectful. Start by highlighting what the person did well. Then, identify the areas where they can improve. Here's a potential way to structure feedback. I liked how you used clear landmarks in your directions. However, I think you could use sequential words like first, then, after that, more often to make the path more comprehensible. Don't view feedback as criticism, but as a roadmap for improvement. If you've received feedback, identify the key points you need to work on and practice using them in your next role-play scenario. This is a continuous process. Give, receive, improve, and repeat. That's all for today, folks. Remember, effective communication is all about clarity and understanding. Keep practicing these role-play scenarios with peers, and don't shy away from giving and accepting feedback. It might feel challenging at first, but trust me, it'll help you become a better English communicator. See you in our next lesson.